Okay, let us learn about changing pen shade now. In Scratch, pen block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. Each pen color has different shades that vary from the lightest to the darkest. The pen shade varies from 0 to 100, that is, 0 is the darkest and 100 is the lightest shade. Let us observe this with the help of a given example. Delete the cat sprite and add butterfly 3 sprite on the stage. Select the pen block palette. Click and drag the Change Pen Shade by 10 block on the script area. Drag the Set Pen Size to 1 and pen down blocks and place them under the Change Pen Shade by 10 block. Change the value to 10, Set Pen Size to 1 block. Now select the Motion Block menu and drag the Move 10 Steps block on the script area. Now select the Repeat 10 block from the Control Block menu and place it over the script. Click on any block in the script and observe the sprite drawing a line with a change in the pen shade. Students know that if the pen shade is 0, then the pen color will be close to black. If the pen shade is 100, the pen color will be close to white. Let me tell you that blocks with a rounded top, such as OR, can only be placed at the top of the block stack. Okay, let us find out how to change backdrop of the stage. The new backdrop icons are used to change the background of the stage. We can either create our own backdrop or choose any backdrop from the available built-in options. Scratch provides 4 different options to change the backdrop of the stage. Let us learn about each one of them. Number 1. Choose backdrop from library. To choose a backdrop from the Scratch library, click on this option. The backdrop library window pops up. The library is divided into 2 sections, category and theme. Select the desired theme, choose any backdrop from the displayed list and click OK. The selected theme will be set as the backdrop of the stage. Number 2. Paint new backdrop. This option will open the Backdrops window editor, where we can create a new backdrop window according to our requirement. Number 3. Upload backdrop from file. Clicking on this option opens the Select Files to Upload by app:/scratch.swf dialog box. Select the required file for backdrop and click on the Open button. The desired image will be uploaded for the backdrop. Number 4. New backdrop from camera. Selecting this option allows us to click an image using the built-in camera of our computer system and imports it onto the stage as a backdrop. Students know that we can also record our own sound in the project. To record our own sound, we need a microphone attached to our computer system. Okay, let us learn how to play the instruments in Scratch now. The sound block provides different blocks to add music to our Scratch project. It also provides music based on different instruments using the Set Instrument to 1 block. This block sets the type of instruments that a sprite uses to play the note. There are 21 different inbuilt instruments from which we can select the desired one. We can also set the notes for the instrument for required number of beats. The notes are signified by numbers. Let us create a dancing sprite project as shown in the given figure. The sprite used here is the Cassie dance present in the people group, and the backdrop is the spotlight stage present in the music and dance group. Students, let's know the fact. Also, you can right-click on any block and select Help. A short description of the block will appear in the Help dialog box. Students, while selecting the note, always remember the higher number will pay the higher pitches. Okay, students, let us take a recap of this chapter. Scratch is a free programming language designed for children to enhance their computing skills. Sprites are objects that perform actions in the Scratch project. We can add a sprite by selecting the New Sprite buttons placed at the bottom right corner of the stage. Paint New Sprite button will open the Paint Editor window where we can create or draw a new sprite. The Scratch stage is 480 pixels wide and 360 pixels high. It is divided into X and Y grid. The X value of stage can range from 240 to -240 and the Y value can range from 180 to -180. A sprite can rotate by using different rotation style buttons present in the Sprite Info pane. Pen block instructions are used to draw a trail as the sprite moves on the stage. We can add music to our Scratch project by using the blocks in the Sound block menu.